Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the share screen feature not showing in WhatsApp. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's dive right in. One of the most common reasons for this issue is that your WhatsApp app might be outdated and the screen sharing feature may be missing. To fix this, start by making sure your app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If there's an update available, tap Update to get the latest version. This can often resolve any bugs causing the screen sharing issue. If your app is already updated and the problem still persists, another solution is to clear the cache of the WhatsApp app. To do this on Android, go to your phone's Settings, then find Apps or Apps and Notifications. From the list of apps, tap on WhatsApp, then go to Storage and select Clear Cache. This can help fix any temporary issues that might be interfering with the screen sharing feature. Another simple solution is to restart WhatsApp. Close the app completely by ensuring it's not running in the background, then reopen it. Sometimes restarting the app can resolve minor glitches and get the screen sharing option working again. That's it. Those are a few simple steps to fix the share screen feature not showing in WhatsApp on Android. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.